here, है ना? This canal over here is called as your pterygoid canal. ठीक है, याद रखो बस. Okay, I'm not writing it. ये canal का नाम है pterygoid canal. Okay, what is this pterygoid canal? If you want, you write it in your notes. Okay. Anyways, I'll write it in the next picture. So now, first, what we shall discuss. First, step by step. We first discuss this red color fiber. Red color fiber कौन सा है? Motor fiber. What is that? Coming from facial nerve proper nucleus. First, we will discuss that. Then next we will discuss the remaining fibers as well. Okay. So first let us discuss about the course of the somatomotor fiber. Now, if I zoom into this, from where is that somatomotor fiber coming out? Okay. Guys, before that, I just wanted to tell you one more important thing which I missed. I'm really sorry. I missed one thing, that यहाँ पे ना, I told you this is superior salivatory nucleus and this is your chorda tympani, right? Now both of them are enclosed in one of the component. Both of them are enclosed in the component of facial nerve, and this one over here is called as your nervus intermedius. This part over here is called as your nervus intermedius. Now, if they ask you within this nervus intermedius, what do you basically have? ये देखो, you have got one pink wala and one green wala. What is that pink wala? That is parasympathetic motor fiber. And what is this green? This is your sensory fiber. One motor and one sensory, both of them are located in nervus intermedius. Okay, just remember this. Now let us go back. Yeah. So what I was discussing, first we will discuss about the red wala. What is that red color one? Called as your motor, somatomotor fiber. Okay. So this is your from the floor of or the lower part of the pons, you have got this particular nucleus. Okay, this is facial nerve proper nucleus. From here it will take a turn. I told you क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे sixth nerve होगा, right? It will take a turn and come back like this through what? Through pontomedullary junction. So from the pontomedullary junction, it has taken an exit, and where is it entering right now? Just look here, where is it entering right now? It is entering into your internal acoustic canal, right? So this particular one is entering into your internal acoustic canal, and it is coming all the way down, passing through this canal. And just look here, and now I am zooming it. It is entering into a ganglion. ये ganglion का नाम क्या है guys? What was the name of this ganglion? I told you, this is your geniculate ganglion. I want you to just take a screenshot of this, put it in front of you in an iPad or whatever it is, right? And just watch my lecture looking at this picture. So just take a screenshot of this. Yeah. Now let me go back. So this particular nerve is coming all the way down, okay, passing through this canal and entering into your geniculate ganglion. Now once it has entered into the geniculate ganglion, it will relay in this geniculate ganglion. Once it will relay into this geniculate ganglion, from here you have got postganglionic fibers, right? Now this postganglionic fibers, what will happen? This will go posteriorly backward. Just look here. It will go posteriorly backward. कहाँ पे जा रही है? It is going all the way to the posterior wall. And then on the posterior wall, it will descend down like this. It will descend down, and finally it is entering into a foramen. ये foramen का नाम बताओ अभी. This foramen is called as your stylomastoid foramen, right? Now this will come out of this stylomastoid foramen. Fine. Now what is the big deal here? Big deal ये है कि as this motor nerve of the facial nerve, right? As this is a motor fiber of the facial nerve, as it is coming downward, पता है ये क्या करेगा? This will give a branch like this. Branch to what? Branch to a muscle called as stapedius. I'm not drawing the stapedius muscle. Okay, for your sake, I will draw it. ये देखो. Let us say this is a representation of a muscle. ठीक है? So it is branching what? It is branching your stapedius muscle, and this nerve is called as a stapedial nerve. Okay, I will write down later. Stapedial nerve. After giving this stapedial nerve, it will come down all the way, come down, come down, come down, and finally it will give branches here. How many branches? 3 branches. How do you remember these branches? Remember it with the mnemonic PAPS, P-A-P-S. Okay, so what are these branches? Let us look into it. The first branch is your posterior auricular branch. First branch is your posterior auricular branch, and the second branch over here is nerve to posterior belly of digastric, nerve to posterior belly of digastric muscle. Okay, and third one is your nerve to stylohyoid, nerve to stylohyoid muscle. Third one is your nerve to stylohyoid muscle. Okay, so what did it do? Facial nerve came all the way down through the foramen. It has given 3 branches. They are named as PAPS. Ye dekho, PAPS. What is PAPS? Posterior auricular, posterior belly of digastric, and nerve to stylohyoid muscle. Ho gaya, right? It has given these branches. After giving these branches, what will happen is that